The 2011 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power door locks, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, ventilated front disc brakes, cloth seat trim, body color bumpers, body color door handles. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.